The ability to harness electricity has been one of humanity's great achievements. We use electricity in an ever-increasing amount of products, from household appliances to entertainment devices and the devices we use to work, to the vehicles we drive. They're all powered by power. There's one problem. Sometimes electricity fails. Every year we hear reports of rolling blackouts leaving people without power for days or even weeks. The impact from the loss of power can be minor or catastrophic. As an insurance against unreliable power, every Archgard gas fireplace is designed to continue providing heat even when the lights are off. Traditional millivolt ignition fireplaces have always worked without power, and that remains true for any jurisdiction that still allows them. Archgard electronic ignition fireplaces and fireplace inserts require electricity to operate but come standard with battery backup so that you are protected when the power is gone. The batteries may be found in a battery pack connected to the control board. If you hear two beeps when using the remote control, the batteries are getting low and should be replaced. Replace using 4 high-quality alkaline AA batteries when the fireplace is cool, and secure the battery pack and wires in the Velcro strip when done. Don't be left out in the cold this winter. Get an Archgard gas fireplace or fireplace insert and enjoy the warmth that our unparalleled fires bring for many years to come. Visit archgard.com to see more or find a dealer near you.